All right, so I had a problem and I'm about to fix it. The problem, my rearview mirror. Not on the Xterra anymore. Don't need it. But this is why. We're installing an better rearview mirror. It is the Wolfbox G930, 4K front camera, 1080p back camera. You're probably wondering, why was my rearview mirror a problem? I'll show you why it was a problem. Can't use a rearview mirror if it falls off. Yeah, even took glass with it. For those that don't know, because I didn't know, that the original rearview mirror mounting point is actually one of the smallest ones out there compared to all the other rearview mirrors. So getting the original was hard enough, and then getting a new one won't fit the old mirror. So here we are, installing an even better rearview mirror that can help me while on the trail. So let's skip the install and go over what this rearview mirror has to offer. Actually, we're not going to skip the best part. The peel. So we have the 1080 rear camera, 3M'd to the top of the Xterra. So it goes through the hatch windshield, and then it's not getting all dirty and scratched up, whereas I can clean the windshield and not worry about that. We ended up going with the Wolfbox arm to attach to the windshield. On the top, you have your USB-C power. You have your mini jack for the rear view camera, and you have another mini jack for your GPS, which is actually up stuck against the window right there. Now the Wolfbox comes with a 12-volt cigarette lighter plug-in for the rear view mirror. What we went with is the actual hardwire install, which allows you to tap into your fuse box, and then with the turn of your key, the rear view mirror automatically turns on and starts recording. Did Wolfbox sponsor this video? No, they did not. I chose this purchase to put into the Xterra because I thought it was time for an upgrade once my old rearview mirror came off. And that's why we're doing the install today. So why did I go with the G930 of Wolfbox? One, it's a great price. It's got 4K front camera, 1080p rear camera. Yes, they just released a trifecta. Allows you to put a camera down on your bumper. But I'm not sure how useful that would be for me, of having a camera down in my bumper where it's going to get dirty and I'm always going to have to clean it and worry about cleaning it to be able to see on the trail. So I went with the Dose front camera, rear view camera, has a GPS, automatic recording, tells you your speed, your direction. There's voice commands. There's a lot of features that I haven't even went through. Now, unfortunately, because it is so bright out today, I can't even show you the screen. So I'm going to have to wait till it's dark to then turn on the screen and give you guys a rundown of the G930 by Wolfbox. So that's the back camera, 1080. You can adjust it. You can see we're already recording. Tap the screen. You have your brightness. So that's that's lowest for nighttime. We can switch. That's the 4K front, which you can go up or down. Take a picture. Turn off or on voice. If we stop record, that allows us to go into our settings. Screensaver, parking, rear cam, mirror flip, clicking sound, GPS display, clocks. You can download the app to connect to your phone so that you can easily transfer the footage from the camera or from the rearview mirror to your phone. Now we've got front and rear view display. We can switch again, back to rear view, front view only, or both. We can go playback. There's all our files for the front, rear view, front view. For photos, no lock videos. These are all the videos for both. So right in the center of the screen, you can then turn off the screen and now you have your normal rear view mirror. Turn on the screen, now you see your cameras. There you have it. That is the Wolfbox G930 rear view mirror camera system. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, if you want to support the channel, please hit the subscribe button. We're trying to hit 10,000 by the end of 2026. We're on our way to 5,000 right now. Thank you for watching this week's video, and we'll see you in the next one.